In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark text as decorative in Canva. This simple step helps make your designs more accessible by telling screen readers to skip elements that are purely visual. When something is decorative, it doesn't need an alternative description, and removing that extra noise makes the experience clearer for anyone using assistive technology. Start by opening your project in Canva. Give yourself a moment to look over the canvas and identify any text that exists purely for style. Think of things like a repeated label used only as a background pattern, a flourish word that adds mood but doesn't convey new information, or a watermark-style word that's already explained elsewhere. If the text communicates something essential, don't mark it as decorative. Keep it readable for everyone. Once you've identified the text you want to mark as decorative, click to select that element. You'll see the bounding box appear around it, confirming you've got the right item. Now, right-click on the selected text. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works, and on some keyboards you can hold the Control key while clicking. From the menu that appears, choose Alternative Text. This opens the accessibility options for that element. In the Alternative Text panel, look for the option labeled Mark as Decorative. Go ahead and click that. This tells assistive technologies that this text is just for decoration and doesn't need to be read aloud or described. Finally, hit Save to confirm your choice. That's it. Your decorative text is now properly tagged, and screen readers will skip it. A few quick tips as you work. Use this setting only when the text adds no new meaning. Headlines, labels, buttons, captions, and any content that users need to understand the design should not be marked decorative. If you're using duplicate text purely to create an effect, like a shadowed copy, an outline, or a background echo, marking that duplicate as decorative is a great idea, while leaving the main, readable text unmarked. And if you change your mind later, you can return to the same alternative text option, unmark it, and save again. To recap, open your project, select the text element, right-click, and choose Alternative Text, click Mark as Decorative, and hit Save. With that, you're keeping your designs clean, accessible, and user-friendly without adding extra work. Thanks for watching, and happy designing in Canva.